Onasha. In one dress, the president carries a baby crib. Where are we going? Kershit said that, "It doesn't matter. Yes, you are the last, and rockmon, and the child. All that remains for me is to go to Moscow. Everything will be fine." But the question is, why is Kershit going to Moscow? Does he want to become someone the Kremlin can count on? A person close to Muhammad Mirzoyev stated that Muhammad Iqbal's words are 100% true. When we go to the house of the chief's father, they set you on fire so that you eat raw milk. Oh, good man, stay away as long as possible. They do not spare each other. You are alone, looting fines and continuing the hunger of the poor. Roostom declared in his circle that in whatever affairs, plans, returns he acted as an intermediary. Roostom should be kept informed. If I learn from any other place, from any other side information that you hid, you guys will complain. But in front of Rustom, everyone says yes. And behind all the movements are mobile. Kurshid Mirzoyev should tell Roostom about the results of the collected amount after he installed new cameras for violations of